If you're a senior traveler, you're helping one pack stop scrolling right now, because the TSA has started cracking down on 5 specific types of medications, and if you pack them the wrong way, they will get seized at airport security. And the worst part, most travelers have no idea this is happening. Stay with me, because mistake number 3 is something almost every senior accidentally carries. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something totally normal that TSA treats like it came from a secret lab: senior medications. If you pack these wrong, they can get taken away faster than you can say, "That's my blood pressure medicine." But don't worry, I'll explain everything in a simple way so you can travel without losing your meds or your peace of mind. Let's start. Number 1. Liquid medicines over 3.4 ounces. You know those big bottles of cough syrup or oversized liquid prescriptions seniors love? If you don't declare them as medical liquids, TSA will treat them like illegal juice. They aren't trying to cause trouble, they just need to screen them separately. The fix is simple: put the liquid meds in a clear bag and tell the officer, "This is medically necessary." Say it with confidence. And number 2 is unlabeled pills in random containers. Seniors love daily pill organizers. But when TSA sees a bag of mixed pills with no labels, they don't see vitamins. They see a mystery chemical experiment. If they can't identify a pill, they can seize it. All you need is one official bottle or one printed pharmacy label with your name on it. Just one. Problem solved. Medication number 3 is strong painkillers and opioid. This is where things get serious and a little dramatic. Medications like oxycodone, hydrocodone, codeine, and morphine are allowed if they're prescribed. But TSA and the D now work closely, and if your bottle looks old, faded, or suspicious, an officer may question it. Imagine them holding the bottle like it came from Area 51. To avoid this, bring a doctor's note, especially if the prescription is older than 6 months. Medication number 4 is injectable. Medications that are stored chaotic. Insulin and injectables are perfectly fine to carry. Syringes are allowed to, but if needles are loose in your bag like tiny swords, TSA will not like that at all. They can seize them if they're not stored correctly. Keep everything in a proper medical kit with original cases and needle caps. Medication number 5 is pressurized medical sprays. Seniors love sprays of all kinds, from cooling sprays to medicated numbing sprays to prescription aerosols. Some of these contain flammable propellants, and TSA treats them like hazardous materials. If the label is missing or the bottle is too big, it can be seized. Keep everything clearly labeled and stick to travel size if it's non-prescription. Here's the truth: TSA isn't trying to take anyone's medication just to cause trouble. Their job is to make sure everything is safe, properly labeled, and not suspicious. Help them understand what you're carrying and they'll help you get through the line quickly. Before you travel, do these simple things. Separate your medications. Keep at least one original label. Declare all liquids. Store injectables neatly. And don't mix pills like trail mix. A couple minutes of preparation will save you from hours of stress at the airport. If this video helped you avoid a future airport headache, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me which of these medications you or your parents always travel with. Thanks for watching. Travel safe, stay smart, and please label your pills unless you enjoy unexpected conversations with TSA officers.